Let's make these simple and delicious waffle rolls.
First, you'll need to use a rolling pin and roll your waffles on both sides. So it'll just be flat. Grab your cheese, lay it here, and then you will just roll. It'll just look like this. I've made 3 already, so let's put them in the air fryer.
Just lay a piece of foil on the bottom of the tray and we'll just add in our cheese waffles. So we set the air fryer to 370 degrees for 8 minutes. Flip our waffles over at 4 minutes. Okay, let it cook at the remaining 4 more minutes. Okay, we'll just remove it from the air fryer. Best way to serve these waffle cheese is sprinkle over some powdered sugar. A few pieces of strawberry. And look how beautiful this looks. You should try it.